tiger.
Oh, how long does it take you?
Lots of minutes.
Lots of minutes? How far are you now?
I don't know. You could say on the 333 progress line. Not the
Okay.
progress line. The pay.
So what do you have now? You have a body?
A body, a torso, the second torso, 3 legs, and I'm on the 4th leg.
Okay. Can you show me? Let me see. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like a tiger now.
Looks like a tiger, just there's a problem.
So it has 3 legs now, so you're working on the 4th one and the tail.
Uh-huh.
Ah. So Tyler got this one. 3 in 1. So he can make a tiger. He can make like a fish. He can make like a, looks like a panda, isn't it?
No, a red panda.
A red panda? Ah, nice.
A baby panda, I think.
And it has, wow, 755 pieces.
That's pretty incredible.
Yeah. It's kind of heavy too, isn't it?
It's pretty heavy. Because all the pieces are inside.
Yeah, so you still have one more bag, right?
One more bag to go.
Oh, you are working on number what? Number 3. How long do you think it will take you to finish the whole thing? An hour?
If I had to guess, then like 3 minutes.
No, I think it's more than that.
If you're
You mean like?
a good builder, then yes, 30 minutes. If you're a starter, then it would probably take you 2 hours because you just started and you took a hard one.
Okay.
But if you're medium and you like got 2, just like me, then it's gonna take you just 1 hour.
1 hour?
But not so bad. It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
It's just there's some problems.
What was the problem?
The legs are super spinny, and when you try to put it in, make sure not to press down on it too much.
So far so good, huh? You got a tiger looking now? Yep. That's the front. That's the back, and you're working on the 4th
Mom,
one.
Mom, leg.
I'm sorry, Tyler.
Oh, his leg. Your leg. You have to take your leg off and decapitate it from your body.
Uh-oh. Is it easy to put on? Ah.
Why?
Oh, you have to redo it again?
Because it broke.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it an easy fix for you?
No, Mom.
Oh,
You
sorry.
just made me restore.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You know how long this took me.
Oh, that's a small team. I don't think the sounds good. Powerful. Please, not this. No.
Now I have to go back. Look at that manual.
That's just cheap. You guys are cowboys, but can you fight the undead? Yes!
Now I have to go back.
It looks like they can. They can fight the undead. Skeletons are very cool. They're just bones. You know what? We're putting up the Da Vinci thing. Everyone can die. You guys are not supposed to do it.
Mom.
If this setup doesn't work, guys, let's do the game. Go, little armies. Meet the LOL. So there's more of them. It's working! Oh no. Zeus is kind of like murdering our halflings, but that's okay. It's okay, we got 2 cactuses.
You have a few more. You just have to stall.
Come on, halflings, get up. Are you kidding? Place some troops on the right side and then the left side. There's no point. Y'all are gonna die. It's terrifying. You can't fly.
They're already
They're
dead.
still trying to kill me. Lay down and give up. lasso. Whatever.
Just kidding.
Stop pretending. We're gonna keep using this.
So he's fixed.
He's fixed.
Ew, you pick your nose.
In the name of law, I'm allowed to.
What do we do? I mean, how about we play with him? Here, we gotta try to.
So you're working on the final legs and the tail.
Oh, okay. Gold said
Yes.
play fair. So will you defeat Daryl? Let's find out. Do the show. Wow, look at this epic walk.
Is it easy to build, Tyler?
What kind of bullets were those?
No.
No. So you have to be patient, not too rush, right? Wow, Tyler, you got it all. Wow, you got 4 feet and a tail. That is so cool, Tyler. What are you making next?
Head.
Oh, a head? Oh yeah, I forgot. That's the last piece?
Yep.
Ooh, nice. I like it. That's awesome. Do you think it's worth buying it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. That's really cool, Tyler.
It is one of my biggest and one of the largest builds I made.
Wow.
Well, it is the largest build.
Well, you did one of the avatar, right?
Yeah.
The dragon one. That's pretty cool too.
I know, but it's not the largest one if you say it.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. I like it. You get a body already, Tyler? And now you get the head. It's almost done. So the tiger has a teeth. Wow. That one. That's like a bottom jaws. All right, the final piece.
A what? Wait, what? Oh,
There you go.
I was
Woohoo.
confused for a second. I was like, wait, what? Oh,
Can the tiger move?
what?
Can the tiger move up and down or bend? Oh, nice.
Most of you just don't hear anything. Didn't hear a single thing.
Oh, that's really cool, Tyler.
Guess what they have? Metal.
For what?
I have an idea. Guess what? Big brain strategy right here.
Oh,
Guess what I'm gonna do?
what?
Instead of that tooth,
So you're gonna use a different one? Ooh, that's unique.
now he has a dirty tooth. Probably should check on the dentist. No, I forgot. I forgot something.
What?
No. Please tell me it's the wax.
That's the eye.
He's derpy. So derpy. Finally finished this tiger. That took me forever. He's very thick, just to mention. And also I forgot a piece. Okay, now oh my god, you're making me put more things because of the bottom. Yeah. Please don't fall. Please don't break. Please don't break. Okay. Okay, back to the video. So the tail can move, and also the other piece of the tail, if you include it, it has 4 legs that can all move. You can hear that. It has 2 torsos, and guess what? It has teeth that can move. It has a jaw. Roar! It's gonna bite you. Well, yeah, that's it. Bye.
Wow, you finally finished it, Tyler. Look at this. Tyler, you get a
It's like-
tiger, you get an island, and a bird.
It's